Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Since fall is approaching us, I have become overly obsessive with browns and oranges. So I decided to do a quick and simple, easy tutorial that I like to do for an everyday fall look. So keep watching and let's get ready for the tutorial. So I'm starting on a fresh and clean face, and I'm going to take my Clinique Super Primer and apply that to my T-zone, my cheeks, and my chin, and go ahead and smooth and pat it all in. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using two different products, the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown and chocolate, and the Anastasia Eyebrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Next, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Light Beige to conceal and fix any mistakes underneath and around my eyebrows, and to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and for the first shades, I will be using Burnt Orange and Real Gar. This is a really easy and simple beginner-friendly look because it gives you the gradient effect of several different shades without the work. For my foundation, I'll be using two different ones. The first one I'm going to be using is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the color 18 Sand, along with the L'Oreal True Match Classic Tan in Neutral 7. And sorry about the lighting. Between my ring light and this natural light from my window, my camera was really fighting to create and capture and balance out everything. So next, to give these lovely Gerber cheeks some definition, I'll be taking my wonderful LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast and mark my face out to where I would like my contour to be, and then blend that out and go behind it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit with the powder, and go in with the colors Java and Havana. Next, I'm using my NYX Mineral Set It Don't Fret It matte finishing powder. My application is a little different just because of my skin type and my weather conditions that I have to endure every day. And for my eyelashes, they're nothing really fancy. They are just Beauty Supply lashes that come in this black and gold pack. They're mink lashes. They're absolutely wonderful. I love them. They last an amazingly long time, and they definitely work for me, and they didn't break my bank. They were like about $2.99 or $3.99. Finishing up, I am just pressing my setting powder into my face instead of trying to wipe it off, just so that it can help absorb any other extra oils. And I'm also going to go in and bronze up my face a little bit more with the color Fawn out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to line my lips with a brown NYX lip liner and apply my lipstick and or lip gloss. So lastly, before I go out, I have to slick down my hair and get rid of those little baby hairs that don't want to lay down. So I'm going to take a little bit of edge control and whoosh, bam, voila. Alright dolls, well this brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute, simple, easy look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, see you next time. Mwah.
Baby, my everything, she the truth. Together we cool. Me and her can't